Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. And also, guys, follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So go and follow us. You will stay updated with us. So when you take a look at this GBPUSD, I told you guys yesterday that GBPUSD will actually give us a bullish move, which is for the 11th. I told you guys we'll be expecting a bullish move, and this is exactly what GBPUSD did. You can see it gave us this massive bullish move. So for the last day of the week, which is Friday, expect another bullish move to the upside. So basically, we are still on an uptrend move. I mean, if you have to take a look at it on the 4-hour time frame, also when you take a look at it on your 1-hour time frame, you'll see that we are on an uptrend move. You can clearly see this is an uptrend move. So what we can see here, if you to go to the 1-hour time frame, is a pullback is currently forming. Once the pullback forms, probably in London section, you should be able to go ahead and take the trade. Currently, as I'm doing this analysis, I'm doing it in Asian session. So once the London section opens and it is clear that market wants to start pushing up, then you can go ahead for the buy, or maybe the movement to the upside can come in New Year session. I believe between London and New Year session, we should be expecting that movement. But right now, Asian session, a pullback is currently playing out. So let's see what happens in London session. Then we will continue the buys on GBPUSD. Stay updated with us by going to the comment section, click on the link, and follow our Telegram channel.